Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable Google Assistant on your VIVO X300 Pro. If you want to enable a Google Assistant on your VIVO X300 Pro, make sure you have already logged into your Google account. If you did, open up your Google, click on your account icon right here, click Settings, scroll down here to Google Assistant, and then scroll down here to General. And here, as you can see, adjust how your assistant responds to you, and here you have Google Assistant. Your assistant helps answers your questions and get things done. So to turn it on, just click here and click turn on. So now it's enabled, so thank you for watching and subscribe for more.